Alright, the time has come. Looked like I'm gonna try to make an upgrade. The boss asked me if I was comfortable running the 400-inch bed. In Alberta terms, that is sow. I would fill in all the time at road train. I don't really have a problem driving the bigger bed truck. It's just in bigger stuff. Get it between the pins, be cautious, and don't roll it. So he tosses me the keys. He's like, here, might as well try to go get comfortable with it. Make sure you know where everything is and give it a trial run. So we're just gonna go grab some C-ring skids, bring them over to the yard. They have to do some welding on the ears. So it's gonna be give me a trial run, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go do my first drilling rig skid job. Turns out I end up running the sow like I've already been doing it for 10 years, so spoiler alert, everything went perfect. Well, hello. A little bit of a treat today. Looking forward to this one. Since I'm missing me C5, I'll just drive. Fuck, it is icy. It rained out last night and it is slick. Oh, I didn't turn the batteries on, novice. I better go turn me batteries on. Will she start? It's only -2. Oh. These. It's a lot of booties. Everything looks pretty skookum. I like the truck. The only problem I kind of have is the band brake and the dogs that can't do both at the same time. So I'm always, if you want to be fluent, and then I'm reaching with my left hand to hit the fucking dogs while I'm using my right hand to do the band brake. That's kind of way back there. Not that you use number 2 a whole lot. Man, it's a pretty smooth unit. She's young, mild out, 0 o'clock, not even any time on the clock. Oh look, there's my truck, behind the truck. This thing's got heated mirrors, guess I'll find out.
I know you're gonna dig this.
A seance. I don't read gray lines. My hair is real long. No brains. All brown. No shoes. Just songs. I hate slow songs. Oh yeah, you cry like I care. Oh yeah.
All in all, not too bad at all for a first timer. We had one small hiccup. We got a low tire. We're just gonna go into Three Hills. We're only about 4 kilometers away from Three Hills, so we're just gonna go in and we're gonna get her pumped up so we can get it home.
If I had to lose a mind, if I had to touch feeling, I would lose my soul the way I do. I don't have to think, I only have to do it. The results are always perfect, but that's old news. Would you like to hear my voice? Sprinkle with emotion, running at your birth. I can't see the end of me. My whole expanse, I cannot see. Formulate infinity, stored deep inside me. To lose a mile, if I had to touch feeling, I would lose my soul the way I do. I don't have to think, I only have to do it. The results are always perfect, but that's old news.
That wraps up another interesting day of life of working at Cypress. Day is done. The move went pretty good, not bad at all for the first time running this truck. Done and done. We got 2 radios, so I had 2 people yelling at me all day. It was driving me up the wall a little bit. It's kind of nice sometimes, but it's time to go home. Oh, yeah, it's gonna reach. It's gonna reach. That's nice. They even have an extension cord. It's all humid in there. A nice warm day today. First time running a MRSAP. I'd have to say, all in all, it's pretty good. Rides smooth, shifts like a pickup. Look at that fabrication. I went through a lot trying to get these mirrors nice and stiff. I didn't think they were all that bad, really, but there's a little bit of wobble, but it's dealable. Having the extra leg room is kick-ass. And actually even the corner window's nice. Didn't think I would like that, but it's really nice.